Hot take. Stop trying to save money because most people treat saving like a mood. And moods do not pay dividends. What you want is a system, something that works even when you're tired, busy, or feeling emotionally sponsored by online shopping. Wealth isn't a single trick. It's a sequence. You automate saving. You build a safety buffer so you stop getting knocked back to zero. Then you increase earning ability so the whole machine scales. Today, I'm giving you the Wealth Builder Trio. 3 principles: simple, boring on paper, life-changing in real life. If you save what's left over at the end of the month, you will save what's left over, which is usually crumbs and regret. So we flip the order. Savings goes first. Rule: on payday, money moves automatically to future me before you can negotiate with yourself. Because you can out-argue your own plan at 11 p.m. Automation wins at 11 p.m. Start with 1%. Not because 1% makes you rich tomorrow, but because it makes you consistent today. Then, increase it by 1% each month until you hit 10% or more. This is how people build wealth without relying on heroic self-control. If you earn $3,000 a month, 1% is $30. That's not a fortune, but it's a habit with receipts. And habits scale. Most people don't fail at saving because they're lazy. They fail because real life keeps showing up. Car breaks. Someone gets sick, surprise expense. And every time your savings gets deleted like it never existed. So we build a buffer. Here's the ladder. Step 1. Starter buffer. $500 to $1,000. That's, I can handle a problem without panic. Then 1 month of expenses. Then 3 to 6 months. Not overnight, progressively. Emergency fund should be separate from spending, and it should be boring, not invested, not crypto, not my friend's new thing. This money has one job: keep you from going into debt when life happens. Boring money is powerful money. Now the contrarian part. You can't frugal your way to real wealth. Saving matters, but eventually the fastest way to scale is to earn more. Cutting expenses is like using scissors. Increasing income is like using a lever. Rule: pick 1 income upgrade at a time. Not 10. Not chaos. 1. A certificate that makes you more valuable. A better role. A freelance service. A tool that increases output. We're building earning ability on purpose. Here's a simple 30-day sprint. Choose 1 skill that your market pays for. Practice 30 minutes a day. Create 1 proof piece, a sample, a portfolio item, a project. Then pitch or apply 10 times. That's it. Not magic. Momentum. Now watch how the trio connects. Pay yourself first creates momentum. Emergency fund prevents setbacks. Higher income scales the system. And the loop repeats, faster every time. This is what people mean when they say money compounds. Not just investments, your systems compound. If you do nothing else today, do these 3. 1. Set an automatic transfer for 1% on payday. 2. Open a separate emergency savings and aim for your first $500 to $1,000. 3. Pick 1 skill to increase your earning ability and commit to a 30-day sprint. That's a wealth plan. Look, you don't need to be perfect. You just need a system you can repeat on your worst week, not your best week. If you want a simple 1-page template for this Wealth Builder Trio, comment Wealth Loop and I'll drop it. And if you're watching this thinking, okay, I can actually do that, good, because you can. See you in the next one.